Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is on this really bold yet beautiful holiday makeup look. It's a very glittery eye makeup look paired with a super bold vampy burgundy lip color. So if you want to know how I got this super dramatic makeup look, then please continue watching.
Starting off by filling in my eyebrows as usual. For that I'm using the NYX Auto Eyebrow Pencil in the shade dark brown. So I'm gonna draw a line under and above my eyebrows, and then I'm gonna fill in any gaps that I find in my eyebrows. Next I'm taking the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in the shade C13, and I'm gonna use that as an eyelid base. So applying that on the lid and also on the inner corners of my eyes. And then also I'm going to shape my eyebrows using the same concealer. Blending it out using a concealer blending brush from PAC. Setting that in place using a loose powder and a fluffy blending brush. Next I'm taking the Wet n Wild Comfort Zone eyeshadow palette. I'm first picking this light brown shade from the palette on a blending brush and blending that color throughout my crease. Then I'm picking up this mauvey shade from the same palette on the same blending brush and blending that again on my crease. Next I'm taking the shimmery peachy shade on a synthetic eyeshadow applicator brush and applying that on my entire eyelid and not passing the crease of my eye. To blend out the harsh edges of the shimmery eyeshadow, I'm using a precise blending brush and blending out the edges. Next I'm gonna take this beautiful chocolatey shimmery shade from the same palette on a precise blending brush and applying and blending on the outer V of my eyes. Then to add some bling on the eyes, I'm going to take the Revlon Photo Eye Art lid in the shade Burnished Bling. So I'm taking the glitter side and I'm going to apply that on the center of my eyelid and also dragging it kind of to the inner corners of my eyes. Moving on to the face, I'm going to take the MAC Prep and Prime Skin Base Visage Primer and I'm going to dot that on my face and blend it out using my fingertips. Next I'm taking this amazing foundation by Maybelline. This is their Superstay Full Coverage Foundation and I'm in the shade 334. So I'm just dotting that on my face and blending it out using a flat top kabuki brush. Now I'm taking the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealers in the shade C13 and C12. So I'm first using the C13 shade to kind of correct my dark circles, and then I'm going to use the C12 shade to highlight my face. So I'm applying that under the C13 color in a kind of a V shape and on the center of my forehead, on the center of my nose, cupid's bow and chin. I'm using the same concealer blending brush by PAC to blend everything out. Next, to set my face, I'm using the Makeupforever Pro Finish powder in the number 174. I'm using a big fluffy powder brush to dab the powder on my entire face. This adds a nice coverage as well, so yeah. And to go under the eyes, I'm using a smaller blending brush and setting the concealer in place. Now for powder contour, I'm taking the Makeup Revolution Pro HD Contour Kit in the shade Dark, and I'm using a darker shade from the palette to contour the hollows of my cheeks. my jawline, my chin, my forehead, and the sides of my nose. For highlighter, I'm going to take the Balm Bonnie Dew Manizer first. So I'm dotting that on the tops of my cheekbones. This is a super blingy highlighter. So I should have applied this before setting my face with a powder, but it worked. So yeah, I'm just blending it out using my ring finger. And it adds a beautiful sheen on the cheeks. Now for powder highlighter, I'm going to use this Kiko eyeshadow in the shade light gold, and I'm going to top that off on top of the Bonnie Dew Manizer and also on the bridge of my nose, the cupid's bow, the chin, and also on the inner corners of my eyes and my brow bone. Moving back to the eyes, I'm going to take the Rimmel Candle Eyes Kohl in the shade brown, and I'm going to run that on my lower waterlines. Then I'm going to take the same chocolatey brown shade from the Wet n Wild palette, and I'm going to apply that on the outer edges of my lower lash line. I'm using a pencil brush to smoke it out a bit. For eyeliner, I'm using the Chambo Smooth On Liquid Eyeliner, which is super jet black, and it has a very thin brush, so it's very easy to create a winged eyeliner using the product. So yeah, I'm creating a sharp wing on my eyes. And I'm gonna take the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara and applying lots and lots of this to my top and bottom eyelashes. For blusher, I'm taking this Tarte blush book in the number 3, and I mixed 2 shades from the palette and applying that to the apples of my cheeks. Now moving on to the lips, I'm going to take the Lakme lip liner in the shade Blackcurrant, which is like a deep berry shade, and I'm going to line my lips. For lipstick, I'm using the PAC Retro Matte Lip Gloss in the shade Mystic, which is like almost like a black looking burgundy color. And yeah, I just applied that on my entire lips. And now I'm taking a bit of concealer on a precise concealer brush, and I'm gonna clean up under my lips to make it look sharp and defined. For eyelashes, I use these super dramatic glowmierebeauty eyelashes in the style Game Face. Oh my god, these look super duper dramatic. I don't have anything in my collection like this one. So yeah, that is the finished makeup look.
So that is it for today's video, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Please give this video a huge thumbs up, comment, and do not forget to subscribe for more such videos from me. And if you're wondering how I got this really beautiful hairdo, the video is coming up very soon on my channel, so stay tuned for that. So yeah, that is it for now, and I shall see you guys very soon in my next video. Bye bye.